Captain Crab anymore, Plankton! And don't you ever think about coming back ever again, you stupid small plankton, head-ass little loser!
That's why you're fat just like your daughter, Mr. Krabs.
Now what did you just try to me, Plankton?
You heard me, fat ass. Thanks for talking to the Jim.
Oh, you think it's funny, Plankton?
Yes, Mr. Krabs.
How's that gonna make it next to you? How does it feel, Plankton?
You little freaking.
You know, Plankton, what is that?
Meet my secret weapon.
Plankton, put that down! Plankton!
What's the matter, Mr. Krabs?
Hey, SpongeBob. Mr. Krabs slipped and fell.
Are you okay, Mr. Krabs?
No, SpongeBob! It doesn't...
You feeling now, Mr. Krabs?